on this wall, guys. This Highland trowel broke, but the Craftsman didn't. And the rest of this video, I'm going to show you how to make your own dasher. Obviously, you're going to need some metal, you're going to need wood for the handle, you're going to need screws, so you don't need all that much materials to make it. You really just need to have the materials lying about to be able to make it. And here's a quick look at the new dasher and how it works just as the old one did. Right guys, so gonna make another dasher here. Again, that's quite heavy. That's a lot lighter. Obviously a bit smaller, so I'm going to make one the same size out of the same steel here, and I'll see if it's still lighter. I imagine it will be, but let's crack on here. Get it all cut out. I have it all marked. As you can see, it's all marked out, even for the hole. So I'm going to get it all cut here, and we'll see how we get on. There you go guys, so all cut out. Well, just the last wee bit there. So there's the rough shape. Gonna need to trim that back a wee bit and just square it off and then round the corners slightly. But you can see how it's already practically a dasher, just a bigger one. This is. There we go guys. All cut out. Obviously needs filed up around the sides, very jaggy, sharp and nasty. So that needs filed around the edges and the hole drilled out. Just need to double check that hole's centre. It's not too bad. Just check it out again. Right, so that's the dasher all cut out, and I've found a halfway mark for the handle and give it a bit of a file down. Needs another wee bit. That being said, when it's been used, it'll soon file itself down. So need to drill that through with the metal bit on the wee cordless, and then I've already piloted this. I'll cut a length of that ready to go and get it fitted up. There we go guys, that's the hole done. Just gonna cut my handle now to size. There we go guys, dead simple. Now just attach the handle. That's it all made. Screw in with a wee washer on it, just give it an extra bit of grip that way so it doesn't pull through over time. Again, a wee bit of copper around here to stop that handle splitting would have been good as well, but I don't have any wee rings of copper at the minute. But yeah, that's another dasher made guys. Again, kind of reminds me of the, you know, if you have a bent trowel and making a small tool out of it, it's mostly grinder work. Again, that's by no means the best dasher. You could tidy it up more, but it'll serve the purpose. Scud coating, slap dicing, dry dice. That would be a very good trowel for dry dice.
Like and subscribe to Plastering.
we doing live? Echoes in eternity.
Ah.